Booking and appointments on Shopify. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to set up booking and appointments within your Shopify store. So we're going to head over to shopify.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. We're going to head over to the search bar at the top and type in booking and appointment, and we're going to search for the on the Shopify App Store. Now what we're going to do next is going to choose one of the apps that we're going to show you here. Usually I use the best app in my mind, or in my case that I have tested, which is going to be BookX, appointment booking app. So you can go ahead and install this app, or basically you can go ahead and install other apps if you want. In my case, BookX is going to be more than sufficient. So you can have also booking apps, schedule, calendar, and this is going to be also a very good app, and the standard one, appointment booking by Appointly. So this one is going to be also very sufficient. So a free plan is available, everything is going to be cool. We are going to click on install, and boom, we're going to install this app, and we're going to click on install, boom. So it is not going to be that complicated to work with, but it is going to be very simple. So we are going to click on here, name of product, want to add or as service, for example, appointment booking, or let's say consultation booking, service. For example, here, as you can see, we need a product to make. So in our case, we do not have digital products, or we do not have service. First, create a product to be used as bookable service in Shopify product section, and then search it below. That means that you need to head over products here, open this up, and create your product. So we are going to make this product just like that. Set up your product, and here, this is the most important part, make this product not a physical product. So make this as a service, for example, service 100, for example. I'm going to disable the tracking, boom. So why the 100 didn't count? So boom, like this. Exit that. We're going to refresh the page. Next, service. Here we have it. Select it, add it as a service. Boom. And then we are going basically to have it like that. The app is not embedded. We're going to embed it, so it is going to show the calendar. Here we have it. Click just on save, and it is going to be activated just like that. Now you're going to have everything set up. So if you are going to visit up your store, select the service app. Normally you're going to find schedule your time. You're going to find something like this, and here you go. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.